Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is the verb falloir. Falloir. This is one of the confusing verbs in which many of the students are getting confused whenever we are using this verb. It's quite simple. We just need some understanding, which we are going to discuss in this video. So let's get started. First, when and why we are using this verb falloir, right? So this verb we are using to express necessity and obligation. This verb we are using to express necessity or obligation, right? Conjugation, it has only one conjugation, which is il faut. In present we are talking about, right? In present we are talking about il faut, because this is impersonal verb. This verb is impersonal verb. We cannot use it with other subject pronoun. So it has only one conjugation, which is il faut, right? So let's discuss where to use this verb to expressing necessity. So I have written few examples with the help of which it will be clear how to use this verb. Il faut étudier pour réussir. First of all, we are expressing here necessity. Il faut étudier pour réussir. Réussir is to succeed. Étudier, to study. As we have discussed that it has only one form, which is il faut, so we have used il faut étudier pour réussir. So it's necessary to study for succeed, or to succeed, sorry. It's necessary to study to succeed. Correct? Il faut manger équilibré pour rester en bonne santé. Il faut manger équilibré, balanced, pour rester en bonne santé. We or you, it could mean at we or it could be we, you also, right? Depending upon the situation. It's necessary to eat balanced diet for stay in a good shape or stay in a good health, or to be in a good health. Il faut manger équilibré pour rester en bonne santé. Right? One more example. Il faut vendre le vélo. So, but here we cannot say it is. We cannot say somebody it's necessary to sell cycle. No. You should sell the cycle, or we should sell the cycle, or bike, you can say. Il faut vendre le vélo. Correct? So these examples are showing the necessity, right? And we are using the verb falloir for it. Let's discuss one more thing. For particular person, as we have discussed here, because here we cannot make it common or for neutral, so we need to put some subject also. Here I am putting subject. For example, I want to say particular person, I. Il me faut. So me, we should use IOP here. IOP, right? Indirect object pronoun. Il me faut vendre un vélo. Right? Or here you can put le instead of, same way, instead of using a. Il me faut vendre le vélo. I should sell the cycle. I should sell the cycle. Right? Il te as we have discussed, we should use IOP. Il te faut commencer. Il te, you should start. You should start. Il me faut un stylo pour écrire. I need, here is showing need. I need a pen for writing. I need a pen for writing. Here subject is this. Or we are using IOP here. So I hope this is clear. Okay, let's discuss few more examples. As we have discussed, we can use it for obligations also, right? For obligations. Mostly we are using it in subjunctive. So for your reference, I just brief what is subjunctive. Subjunctive includes two clauses which is connected by a, and it has some special endings like e, es, e, ions, iez, and ent. We'll discuss subjunctive in detail in our subjunctive video, but this is just for your reference. Il faut que tu finisses tes devoirs avant de sortir. As we have discussed, subjunctive ending, and this is one clause, this is second clause. It is necessary that you finish your homework before going out. Il faut que tu finisses tes devoirs avant de sortir. Right? One more example. Il faut que nous commencions. Again, subjunctive ending and connected with que. It is necessary that we start. It is necessary that we start. Il faut que nous commencions. Right? Now we can also use falloir with noun, especially in when we have some essential requirements. For example, il faut de l'eau potable dans cette région. One needs clean or drinkable water in this region. Right? Il faut de l'eau potable dans cette région. Right? It need clean water or drinkable water in this region. Il faut des outils pour faire ce travail. It needs tool, right? Or it needs tools for doing this job. It needs tools for doing this job or doing this work. One more example. Il faut un visa pour voyager dans certains pays. It needs a visa for traveling to certain countries. Or everyone requires a visa for traveling to certain countries. This is just discussing the essential requirement here. How to make negative? As falloir is a verb, so this is the same before verb. Il ne faut pas oublier de fermer la porte. We should not forget to close the door. Or you should not forget to close the door. Il ne faut pas, before falloir verb. Il ne faut pas oublier de fermer la porte. I hope this falloir is clear. Okay. So is there any synonym which can be used in place of falloir? So the answer is yes. We can use many synonyms in place of falloir. First one is devoir. Devoir is one of the irregular verbs which can be used in place of falloir. So I have written the examples also for these synonyms for your convenience. So let's discuss. Devoir. Il doit étudier pour réussir. He should study to succeed. Il doit étudier pour réussir. Right? Next is, this is also one of the verbs, nécessité. La situation nécessite une action immédiate. Situation requires an immediate action. La situation nécessite une action immédiate. Third option is être nécessaire, to be necessary. Une réponse rapide est souvent nécessaire. A quick action is often necessary. Une réponse rapide est souvent nécessaire. Fourth option is gekagir, right? It can also be used. Le projet requiert des compétences variées. The project requires varied or diverse competencies or skills. Le projet requiert des compétences variées. Last option is exiger. This is also a verb. Ce poste exige une expérience préalable, prior. This post requires a prior experience. Ce poste exige une expérience préalable. I hope these Falloir and these synonyms are clear. If you have any queries or question, you can always write in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.